Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use TikTok video as a live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have a TikTok video and you want to use it as your live wallpaper on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, there are many methods available. So I will tell you one or two. So the first method is that you have to simply open the TikTok app, and here you have to simply search for live wallpaper, and after that you can simply check for live wallpaper 4K. And if you find the video which you want to put as a wallpaper, then you have to simply click on that share button, and after that you can simply click on that live photo option. And if you click on that live photo, then that photo will be saved as live photo on your iPhone. Now if you want to set it as your live wallpaper, then you have to simply go to settings and you have to go to wallpaper, and after that you have to simply go to add new wallpaper, and you can simply select the live photo, and after that you can simply select that live photo which you have recently downloaded as live photo from the TikTok. Moreover, you can also check for the app store, and you can simply search for any app which can provide you as a live wallpaper. So here you can simply search for TikTok live wallpaper. So here you can simply search for that option, whether that apps are available or not. So here you can simply search for that TikTok wallpaper, and you can simply find the app which can provide you live wallpaper. Moreover, you can also download that the TikTok video, and after that there are many apps which can convert you that video into live photo, and you can simply use that video as your live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe to our channel.